Well, today I'm going to try something different. I've got a picture here. Glass broke some time ago. And so instead of putting another piece of glass in, I thought I'd put one of these acrylic sheets on it. But obviously this was a size that wasn't standard, if you will. So what I'm going to do is cut this down and see. I'm going to see how it goes. I'll show you what kind of blade I'm going to use. I'm going to do this on the table saw. So let me get the saw set up and I'll show you where we're going with this. And as I mentioned, I'm going to use my table saw to cut that sheet of acrylic. And I'm going to use this Bauer 140 tooth blade. And what's really different on this, it's 7 1/4 inch blade instead of the normal 10 inch that one normally uses in the table saw. It says it's for plastic, plywood, PVC. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a whirl. Now I got it out of the package. I'm going to go with the normal blade rotation, which is the teeth towards me. There's no reason you can't use this 7 1/4 inch blade instead of the normal 10 inch blade, except of course you won't get the same. Well, that's up first. I don't think I've ever dropped the nut before. Be right back. Well, I got them retrieved. And as you can see, what I've done is I installed a dust bag under there so that it collects a lot of dust, as you can see. But that kind of makes it harder to retrieve the bolts when they fall in. But we've got that. So where were we? Oh yeah. Installing this 140 tooth blade. 7 1/4. So let's try that again. And I'm making the pink teeth point to me. Okay, let's not do this again. I'm going to use my panel sled here. Could be longer to support this, but this is a pretty big piece of acrylic, so we'll give it a shot. I'm going to do a practice cut here just to see how that goes. Not bad. Definitely didn't melt it. Well, I'm going to try it again because this piece is so wide. It doesn't really work well with my sled, so I'm going to do it with a miter. Well, that came out real good. I got a little chip out. Don't know if you'll be able to see it. Just a little chip out. I'll take some fine sandpaper and hit it. But very, very slight. So there you have it. Easy way to cut acrylic with a $5 blade, 140 tooth, 7¼ inch blade. And I have a blade now for cutting plywood. Well, thanks for watching. See you on my next video.